What's going on, YouTubers? Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to talk about the most important things in the junk removal business. And these are things that we think are the most important things. So stay tuned for the video and enjoy it. And JoJo got a couple shout outs she has to put out there.
Yeah, we want to give a shout out to James Davies with Jimmy the Junk Man and Jesse Trevino with Trevino Junk Removal, because they got their shirts and they are officially hauling and balling.
So we love you guys. Hit that like and subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and we're going to show you how to make cash picking up trash. And we're heading to the first job, and it's for a realtor. Are you ready or what?
I'm ready.
Let's go get this money. And before I forget, I want to give a special thanks to Little Debbie for these oatmeal cream filling cookies. They are off the damn hook, and I ate a whole box in what, a week?
Yeah.
So we're heading on out.
Our first job of the day, and it's for a realtor, and she's here, so I'm not sure how much we're going to be able to film, but we do have a very busy day today.
Now, job is complete. It took about 15 minutes, and we got that realtor on the team, and we lined some more work up later on this week with her. So get them realtors on the team. It's a must. Now, some of the most important things running a junk removal business is going to be your population. How populated is your area?
Actually, that's one of the most important key factors. So you want to live in an area that has a good population. So there's going to be lots of people that have junk to get rid of. So like in our area, we service Sonoma County. We live in Santa Rosa, and Santa Rosa alone has a very big population. It's a nice sized city, but we also go out of the Santa Rosa area to, further parts of Sonoma County, and that gives us probably a good 400 to 500,000 people at least that we can service.
So the bigger the population, the better it is. And also another most important thing is your customer service. I don't care what happens throughout the day. You get a flat tire, your wife calls you up cussing you out. If that customer calls you up, you better be super polite, and when you show up, always have a smile.
And we never leave until the customer will come out and look, and they'll give us the okay. They'll say it looks great, and sometimes they'll add a few things, and we take care of that for them. So we always say, hey, how does this look? Is there anything else that you need? And we just make sure the customer is super happy before we leave the property. So we're headed to the next job, and they found us on Next Door.
So this is going right here, this right here, and then down here, let me show you what goes. There is umbrellas going. This table's going right here. And then down here, there is, look at these steps. This table right here needs to go. Plus there's a little barbecue pit up there. So you ready to do it?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Now, job is complete, and it took about 10 minutes. I think I got a find of the day. And I could be wrong, but JoJo, that bicycle back there, I think it's worth some damn good money.
I do think you could resell that.
I picked it up and it was hella light, but I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. It might be from Walmart. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna show you guys a bike right now, so check this bike out. We had to make a pit stop at the house because I do believe it's worth some cash flow, baby. Now, leave a comment down below before I look this up online and let me know if it's worth any money. Let's see what kind of bike it is. What's the brand, JoJo?
BCA, Bicycle Corporation of America.
Got the Shimano gears. How do I look on it? Do I look good or what? Do my legs look sexy or what? Might be worth some money, I'm not sure. Super light though. Well, I'll put it online and find out. I'm gonna put it on Facebook Market for a cheap price. After I WD-40 a few things like the chain and make it not look so rusty and throw it online. And yeah, see what happens. So I'm gonna admit when I'm wrong. It's a Walmart bike. I just looked it up. It's a Walmart bike. We're throwing that sucker back in there. I thought we scored. We give it to you guys raw and uncut, all right? Just so you know. Hold this one. Throw this back in here. What the hell? I wasted gas coming home. All I gotta say is Walmart really stepped their game up, and they make some good-looking bikes nowadays. I thought that was a $1,000 bike. What the hell? So we're heading to the next job, and it's for a realtor, and all she wants is a quote right now, so we'll see if we lock it in. What do you think?
Yeah, I think she'll go with you.
You think so?
Yeah.
I am pretty handsome, huh?
I just think that when you show up to do your quotes, you get the job most of the time.
Oh yeah, definitely. So we're heading over there right now, and it's in Santa Rosa, California. So we just locked that job in for April 24th, and it's a full load and possibly a load and a half.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So what's your prediction of the dump fee for this load we got back here, JoJo?
Oh, I'm gonna say 55.
You know what you did again? You guessed first.
I did.
I'm gonna say $58. Let's see what happens.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, baby. Now I don't know what the hell just happened, JoJo. I could have ended up catching a case in Omega's law for being a pervert. Should I show him what happened?
Yeah, I don't even remember how it happened.
Oh my gosh, look. I met up with that realtor and my leg was like this. I don't know for how long. Oh my goodness. And we still got some more jobs to do. So you know what that means, right? I'm bringing sexy back. Look at that. You can see my damn drawers. What the hell, JoJo? That's pretty damn bad, huh?
Better you than me.
Oh, yeah. Damn it. It's part of the game, though. Part of junk removal. You rip stuff. You don't know how it happens. You walk around with your balls hanging out, and you don't even know it. So, yeah. Damn. So, look who won. It was 1,000 pounds. How the hell was it 1,000 pounds? I have no idea.
I have no idea either.
Anyways, it was $71. Daddy Deep Pockets won, baby. Now here's a few more things that are super important in the junk removal business is the workers you have working for you and representing you. The person sitting right there, you want to make sure they're clean cut, they have great customer service, they don't hop out the pickup truck smoking a cigarette, they don't have a foul mouth, they don't spit on the ground, and especially when you're at the job, they're not on their cell phone talking to people.
That's super important. It's really, really important who you have working with you. Another really good thing that you want to do is brand your business. Think of a great name, a nice logo that stands out. Keep it simple. People will remember it, and it's super important to put that on your shirt, on your hat, and on your truck and trailer and your business cards, and make it to where when they see it, they know it's you. Sometimes customers will tell you to go in the do not enter way. So we are at the next job of the day, and this person is a referral. So, you know, when you do a good job for somebody and they tell somebody else and then that somebody calls you, that's what this is.
So here's part of the job. It's all this stuff in the backyard needs to go, and also there's a washer and dryer inside the house.
tip of the day. 25 20s is 500 and 50 of them is 1,000. Know your math. So job is complete and we're back in the dump line. And we're going to talk about some important things you need to know and need to do and need to learn in the junk removal business. And one of the first things is going to be your setup. Your truck, your trailer, your setup.
Yeah, your setup. Anything you start with, no matter what you start with. Some people start with a van. Some people start with just a truck. Make sure it looks good. It looks good and it's clean and it's got your logo on it. And then just reinvest and go from there. And make sure your setup just always looks top notch, no matter what you're rolling around in.
And then eventually, if you just got a pickup truck, get something with a button. You want to make life as easy as possible for yourself. So yeah, your setup is really important in the junk removal business. And also your turnaround time. By saying that is when someone calls you up and they want you to go over there and do the job, try to put them on the calendar or get there as soon as possible so they don't call someone else up or they figure out a different way to do it.
Yeah, if you have an ability to just go get the job done right on the spot, go do it. Just put them on the calendar as soon as possible.
And those are two more important tips in the junk removal business. And damn, I almost forgot. JoJo, what's your prediction?
My prediction...
Hold up. Let me go first. I almost got her again, guys. I'm going to say 133. So what's your prediction?
I'm so glad you went first this time because I would have guessed way off. So you helped me. My prediction is $75.
$75. Let's see what happens. Now, here's a couple more things you need to know in the junk removal business is when you pick up stuff like a mattress, maybe some e-waste or some washers and dryers, you got to know where to take stuff for the cheapest price so you put more money in your pocket. We got a place we can drop mattresses off for free. We got a place we can drop off washers and dryers for free. It might be different in your area. They might charge you for e-waste or something. So shop around, Google stuff, figure out where you can bring stuff for the cheapest price possible. You got to do that.
You got to do that. That puts more money in your pocket. And that's just homework to do in the junk removal world. Know where to get rid of things. Another really important thing to do is ask the customer how they heard about you, because you want to know what form of advertisement that you're doing that's working, and different things work in different areas. Our area, Facebook, is really strong, and we do Facebook boosts, and our phone starts to ring. But you want to know what works in your area. And when you ask them, they may say they seen a business card, or they seen one of your signs, or they found you on the internet, and then it just lets you know what's going to work for you.
Now, just for the record, you know who won, right? Daddy Deep Pockets, baby. How's it feel to be a loser, baby? Now, isn't the JoJo just so sweet? Always smiling, no matter what type of trash I talk. So it's El Lunche, baby. Now, I'm going to tell you something. You got to get you a girl like the JoJo. And the reason why? Look how much money I'm saving with that little mill she got. It's tiny. What the hell did you get?
It looked good to me, so.
Looks like a micro machine mill. Now let me show you a real meal. See what I got. Now don't mind my leg, but look at that. Some Belgian beef, some shrimp, some chow mein. Now that's a real meal for a real man right there. Now a few more things that are super important in the junk removal business is advertising, marketing, and networking. You gotta just get on it, stay on it. I don't care how busy you are. Don't quit doing it. Keep advertising consistently. So if your phone ain't ringing right now, you better start advertising a little bit more. Throw some more signs up, park your vehicle and guerrilla market. Do whatever you got to do to get your name out there.
Well, you definitely also want good SEO words in your website, because most people are using the internet, and if they're looking on the internet for junk removal and how they're going to get rid of their stuff, they are going to find you if you've done SEO on your website.
and make sure you have insurance and you're a legit and legal business, because I don't know how many jobs I do from illegal dumpers. You guys out there dumping stuff illegally and you ain't got insurance and you're not hauling and balling, you're dumping it in the alleyway or whatever. So get insurance, be legit, and do it the right way.
Then you can charge the money that you're worth. When you have those things, you can charge a little more because you're worth more.
Yeah, you'll have hospitals call you up, property managers. People want proof of insurance, and it don't cost that much to get it done. So handle it, get insurance, and make sure you got it.
And then you can also put that on your website. You can say locally owned and insured, and people like seeing that. So if you guys like these videos, hit the like and subscribe.